Hey guys, so in today's video I want to show you a few plugins. One is a reverb, one is a flanger, and one is a saturator. I want to do this sort of video every single week or maybe once every 2 weeks because I want to show you what plugins I use, what plugins I buy, and to show you what plugins I try out in the studio. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. Let's get into the video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will show you 3 plugins. The first one is Valhalla Room. As you already know, I'm a big fan of the vintage plugin. I've used that on every single mix that I've done in the past few years, I think. Recently I've been struggling with being creative, so when this happens to me, I go out and buy a new plugin that might spark the creativity, and I needed to be very creative on a few projects when it comes to reverbs. I will try the Room plugin on a track from Sanito, Ice Ice. You can find it on Spotify. Let me play with just a tiny bit of the track. Yeah, this is the section. As you can hear, I don't have any reverbs or any delays on the track. I want to try the reverb on that specific part. I really like the interfaces from the Valhalla plugins. They're not trying to be overcomplicated and I really enjoyed that. Let's play that part and go through a few presets. One nice thing is that you can lock the mix. Let's go for something bigger. Synth hole, 8 seconds. As you can hear, it has that lush sounding tail. I really like that about the Valhalla reverbs. Let's send all the vocals from this section to the reverb.
Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, 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 allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, 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 allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, allein, allein.
I think between the Room and the vintage verb you are really covered. If you need a vocal reverb, I recommend trying out the Room or the vintage verb. Next up, let's try a flanger. Antresol. It looks something like this. I have the demo installed, so I have 30 days to try it out. Like I said, first thing when I install a new plugin, I go through presets and see what it's capable of doing. I see that we have like some types like beat crusher, chorus, distortion, flanger and vibrato. Let's start with the beat crusher.
Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, 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 allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, 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 allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis, Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du weißt, weißt. Für mich grad allein, allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, weißt, du.
Let's go to some Flanger.
Weißt du, weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis, Eis. Baby, du weißt, du weißt. Für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis. Baby, du weißt, du weißt. Für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, Eis, ist Eis.
From the first few presets, I really like what this plugin does. I think that I might have to buy it because, as you know, I love flangers. This is more than a flanger from what I can tell, and it does a really nice job. The next plugin I want to show you is a plugin that I was looking into for a long time. It's from Plugin Alliance, Vertigo VSM-3. This is a saturator. It looks really complicated. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to use. We basically have two saturators with second harmonic and third harmonic, and we can blend those two together. We can do mid-side, we can do left-right, and we can do a lot of crazy things. I like using it when mastering or on my tubas. I like using it on vocals, but now let's use it on the full mix and see what we can get. We have a monitoring section, which is pretty handy just to listen to what are you doing.
Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei. Eis, 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 Eis. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt, für mich gerade allein. Also komm vorbei, bei. Mein Herz ist Eis, 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 Eis. Baby, du weißt,
So as you can hear, I'm using the plugin really subtle. It really brings up something in the track that I really enjoy. It also has THD mixer, so you can blend the two together. You can use both of the saturators, the second harmonic or the third harmonic in parallel or in serial. So this is a really complex plugin that you can use on the tubas. So these are the plugins that I wanted to show you this week. The VSM-3 I already bought, the Valhalla Room I already bought, so they are paid for. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time. Cheers.